Lee's still in the group. We got dropped yet. Come on. Ah, it burns. Ah, come on. All right, we're back. Garage cycling stage 3, rolling with the ENVE. This is Jurassic Coast. 9 of us here in the D division, and here we go. I watched a video of some people doing this. There's a big mountain you can see right at the beginning. We know mountains are my friend, so let's, just kidding, let's see how this goes. All right, nobody went out too hard, that's good. I worked the past 3 days, so I've had a few days off. So if that helps or hurts, I'm not sure. If I can just be close over the mountain, that would be fantastic. Probably try to settle in, stay in a group. It's like they all know that mountain's there and they're all kind of easing into it. Hopefully. Not a super long race, but it's like a fairly long climb, which slows everything down. If you saw my last video, I did the climb of the week last week, the Col du Parasor Day. And took me a long time, almost an hour. So, no, I don't climb very fast. But if I can push myself since at the beginning, maybe, my legs are fresh, hopefully, I can stay with the group, make a charge at the end. We will see. Kind of loosen up. I didn't have that much time to warm up. Kind of messing with things, family, putting kids down. Swung the legs up a little bit, but didn't necessarily get the blood flowing per se. But Jurassic Coast. And the incline, we're approaching. Get ready to go. And here she blows, the beginning of the end. Little whoop-de-doos. Let's see how hard everybody else goes. How hard I need to spin it. Definitely the goal is to hang with them as long as possible. If I get dropped too soon, I'm screwed. If they don't push too hard, hopefully I can ride a small enough gear that I can just keep my legs spinning, not hurting too bad. Gonna be a feather for this? Come on. So there's 9 of us. Not a bad group. This is kind of that weird time of day we always ride where it's late. Really late in the US. It's still early in the UK, pretty early. I think it's probably like 4 o'clock UK time right now. So I'm kind of like in between actual groups of people being on. Hey, hey. Whew, look at that one. Oh, kicker activated the quads. I felt that one. I don't know if my quads are ever going to recover. I feel like I could take 3 months off. As soon as I hit a hill, those things are on fire. Like, when are those things going to get in Viking shape? Good Lord. I don't know if it's just because the way Zwift is competitive. I mean, if you race a lot, you can move up, and just like you're never going easier. Every time you get stronger, you push harder. I don't know. Just making excuses for being in pain already at the very beginning of the race. Like 2 kilometers in. Excuse me, not, it hurts, I can tell you that much. Well, so far so good. 2 kilometers in. Started at the base of the mountain. Lee's still in the group. Haven't got dropped yet. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, here's where it breaks apart, boys. Spin, stay with them. Spin, stay with them. Try to breathe. Try to change gears for the ride back down. Got a fan, got a little fan on at least. They make the sound crappy, but forgot to turn the fan on, it's hot. Sweating. Alright. It's alright though. Again, this is the weight loss fitness journey. We shed weight, gain power and fitness. We cycle, we sweat, we transform. And right now, I'm transforming to a guy in a lot of pain. We're getting close to the top of the first little mountain nubby, through the big tree. Okay, up over this kicker. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Get down a little. Try to keep the legs moving. All right, made it over. First little thingy here. Still got a while to go. It's a big climb coming up. A much steeper one. But that is the main thing. But I thought I've watched somebody race this. And even the part of the end that looks fairly flat, there's a lot of little kickers in there that can just burn my legs up. Come on. So you get over the top. Whew. Heart rate's up already. 148, 150. Gotta say so far this Polar H10 that I bought to replace my old Wahoo ticker, seems like it's been pretty good so far. Could have been that I didn't take care of the Wahoo. Could have been the Wahoo was like 4 years old, but just reading something like it all over the place. This seems more accurate. I was thinking about watch. I had some like 2 races where the Wahoo kept going like 220. I'm like, there's no way it's 220. We'll see. So far, I like this one. It seems to be okay. It's only been like 2 or 3 rides, but whoo! And look at that incline coming up. All right, one strong, long climb. Can I stay with the group? That is the goal right now. Stay with the group. Don't get dropped. It's only two people that are falling way out. I don't want to join them. See what we can do. Just keep spinning. Just sitting down, pedaling at a hard rate, but just kind of sitting and spinning right now. I need to drop the gear a little. Don't wanna. I just need to keep my cadence up. You see, just dropping the gear, they start catching up so fast. Okay, I gotta go back up, have to push. push over this mountain. Come on. Come on. Ah, it burns. Gotta get back down. Oh boy. Heart rate's going now. They're pulling off. I'm trying. I'm trying. Come on. Shit. The top is so close. I just do it. Yeah, come on. Get over the stupid hill. Waste a whole lot of energy. Heart rate is way up. Heart rate is way up. Come on. I gotta kind of try to catch my breath, but also I have to push to catch back up. I can do it. They're way ahead. And then the group, which sucks. Because they're gonna go so much faster than me. I mean, they just are. Oh, I gotta breathe. Ah, suck. I tried so hard. That stupid climb. It's like I got 13 kilometers to go. Breathe. Breathe. Come on. Catch them. 13. They're slowing down. I'm getting no rest. I'm getting no rest. I'm getting no rest. I'm trying. I'm slowly catching them, but they're still within a group. They're saving energy. They have one more kind of kicker to go, and then it's mostly flat-ish. Come on. Come on. Let them really see their avatars. That's something. My legs are on fire though. Still at 160 beats per minute. Oh, these guys are definitely just chilling in a pack. They'll cut the time in half, down by 7 seconds. Which means they're taking it easy. I have to relax it a bit, or I'm gonna die. Stupid game likes to give me just enough time to almost catch before I climb every time. So I waste some energy. We hit a hill. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Come on, feather. Oh, God. This bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I at least caught them. I did it. I did it. Ah. I caught him. I caught him. I didn't get to rest at all though. I didn't get to rest at all. All right, still 160. Spin and breathe. Big kicker here. Big kicker here. So push up it. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Here we go. 111 kilograms. I'm giving it my all, guys. Heart rate's been over 160 for ever since the climb started, basically. But I did catch the group up. They were 14 seconds ahead at the very peak of the climb. I got them back just at the start of the little kicker here. But they were definitely taking it easy. And I was not. So we'll see what happens at the end. But macro success. I caught them. And as I mentioned, a bunch of micro successes equal one big success. This gets us to where we want to go. That transformation. We're cycling, we're sweating, we're transforming, and we're pushing, baby. Giving everything we got. There's no try, only do. And we're doing. We still got a long way to go. 10 kilometers. But I've at least stayed with the group over the big climbs. And yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm sweating so much. Oh God. Whew. This is nice. This is so much easier than the ride catching up down the mountain. Nice, flat. It's kind of like when I did that portal climb last week. After climbing for 30, 40 minutes straight, just getting to like a yellow grade elevation felt like a downhill. So right now it doesn't feel too bad. Don't need to get in the front now, it's mostly flat. Good time trying to catch my breath. Did my main goal, stayed with them. Again, it's only my second race in the D category. Got a few kilograms, but not a whole bunch. I think mainly right now I'm just getting in better shape. I mean, yeah, losing weight's helping, but I think I'm just getting a little better shape. Being able to sustain watts for longer, recover faster. Even my quads seem to activate immediately. So I think I'm getting stronger overall, which is good. If I can just get the weight down some more, keep that goal up, eating right, eating healthy, continue to work out. If I can just get up the climbs, just a little faster so I'm not wasting as much energy. When I'm pushing over my FTP, but then it takes also 25%, 50% longer than everybody else. It's just a much longer effort. We're about to go into the Twilight Zone apparently. Here we go. Let's keep spinning. Let's keep spinning. Well, my second real Cat D race, so at least I'm like in the main group. I don't know how often these people race or anything, but to get dropped on the hill, to fight my way back on the downhill when they were clearly relaxing. Because I made up 14 seconds. But to at least be with them at this point, 8 kilometers to go, mostly flat. I think we're doing okay. And the heart rate's at least down below 150. Again, I don't want to push too hard yet, because I have to try to recover for the effort I put on the downhill. And now I'm just kind of spinning my legs. Definitely need to be back behind, but only so much you can do. So I feel like every time you ease up to get behind, just that little bit of momentum, they go flying by. So it's like a very kind of scary thing to do, to slow down. Let them catch you. I haven't mastered that yet. I'm sure there's a way to do it where you let off just the slightest amount, so you trickle back instead of getting flown by. We'll see. And now the goal is, can I get a top 5? I don't know. There's only 6 of us together. Unless something terrible happens, I should get 6 or better. But I need at least top 5 so I didn't get just last of the, like best of the rest, last of the first group. Seven and a half kilometers to go. Still doing it, still pushing. If you're still watching, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. This channel is mainly just for me tracking my progress, but anything to help us grow, spread out there. Me watching Tour de France and watching other random people on YouTube really got me motivated to jump back into Zwift and to really get more serious about working out. Kind of like really pushing myself on every day that I actually had available. So I'm trying to Zwift at least 3 days a week. On my off days, go hard. And just recording these gives me much more motivation just to actually push harder. If I was here by myself, I could turn it off. You guys watching, leaving comments, the likes, really just keeps me going. And I'd like to motivate more people, just like I was motivated. So if you're still watching, give a like, give a subscribe, comment below. Sit back, relax, watch me struggle. But here we are, stage 3, rolling with ENVE. This is the D category, big D's. Most people on YouTube seem to be A's, but we're D's. We're a big boy, and we're out of shape, but we're getting better. So here we go. Another big kick here too. Got like 3, looks like 3 kickers left this one. 2 more, and then kind of a steady, flat decline to the end. Should be decent to be with people. We will see how that goes. My last day of work was very busy, very chaotic. Said the Grim Reaper was all around at work. That was the last shift. The first 2 weren't really that bad, so I feel like I got some actual rest on my legs at work this week. So that's good. Looks like I might have to kick it up a gear. These guys are trying to leave me now, and we don't want that to happen. I'm going to have to push a little bit more. Somebody decided to go with 7 kilometers left, which sucks, because I was definitely liking the more relaxed pace. This hurts again real fast. And you see how quick my heart rate shot back up to 160. Another big kicker. This one, and then one more. Try to carry my momentum. Keep it spinning. Person's making a run for it. I'm not. We are just trying to get over this stupid thing. Whew, it looks like it's flat, but it is not. This kicker's bigger than I thought. It's not stopping, and my legs are burning real bad. Holy crap. They really pushed on that one. And they're going for the win. I'm going for the stay with them to the end. Going down. One more real kicker. That one hurt, I'm not gonna lie. That one hurt a lot. It dragged on farther than I thought it was going to. Whew. It didn't stop. Side's starting to cramp a little. Into the sand. Okay, 5 kilometers, mostly flat. One more little kicker. Kind of stay with you. That is the goal. Push myself. Hang on as long as I can. Try to make it a race. The arrow. Use that to catch back up. After this. This is the last main climb though. It's gonna spin. God, it sucks I gotta change gears and they catch up so fast. Oh, come on. Almost there. Over the big one. Okay. Keep spinning, don't stop. Over the top. I'll use this now. It's there for the sprint, but I just need to get my legs going. Okay, 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. It's just crazy that, I guess what, 7 weeks ago maybe, I started back on Zwift. And I was maybe a month into like this kind of walking on a treadmill, some lifting weights, some. It's like maybe a month of semi-working out and then Zwift for like 7 weeks. And now, right now, I've been racing hard for 28 minutes, 15 kilometers. And usually at the beginning, this is where I was stopping, finishing my ride, getting off and stretching, dying. And I've been pushing as hard as I can push. 160 heartbeat, most of this, for longer than I went back then. So just say, keep pushing yourself every day, doing the right things, you're gonna improve. When you compare yourself to others, you might think, I'm not getting anywhere. You can only compare yourself to yourself. And you can see that you are actually making improvements and the work's working. And the sacrifices you're making are really making you better. They're gonna make you feel better. They're gonna make you healthier. And if you like Zwifting, they're gonna make you better. I went from E to dropping kilograms to now I'm hanging with the front group in this D race. They had a giant mountain in the front, and I know at least probably 10, if not 20 kilograms more than at least almost everybody up here with me. And maybe they're just relaxing. This is a race and I'm pushing and I'm trying. We got 3 kilometers to go. And I got these videos to look back and see where I've come from and the things I've done to continue to motivate myself to get better every day. Less than 3 kilometers. What can we do? Right now, the mini goal in front of me to finish top 5. I don't want to finish the worst out of this group. I worked so hard to stay with the group. If I can just push on past 1, that'd be great. I really just love to beat and kind of like a sprint at the end. That would be exciting. Well, I only had one ever sprint ever in this Zwift race. And that was a circuit. I mean, a crit. It was a circuit, but a crit. I had a little sprint at the final climb. So it'd be nice to have that here. We'll see. 2.5 kilometers to go. Pace has eased off a little, but I'm still going to spin pretty fast to stay with them. My heart rate is still way up there. Still watching, guys? Hit that like button, hit the subscribe. Leave a comment. Give me some tips. Tell me how you did if you did this race. Did it suck as bad for you as it's sucking for me right now? Did you have some micro successes? Did you meet a big success? Let's hear about it. Let's get it going, guys. Let's cycle, sweat, and transform together. Oh, come on. Go ahead and gear up a little. They're starting to spin it out. 2 kilometers to go. Don't want to get dropped this far out. I'm gonna fall off my bike if it wasn't attached. I'm so sweaty. 1.8. Breathe. Come on, heart rate. .5, 32 minutes in. Still in the front group. Still pushing. It's a nice group though. It's really nice. There's 6 of us just right here together, going pretty hard. I'm just really glad. I was 14 seconds down at the beginning of that, at the top of that big climb. And I climbed all the way back 14 seconds, right at the beginning of that small one. And I stayed with them. All right, 1 kilometer to go. Okay, come on. This person's dropping back. Surprises, I think. Off the road, Zwift. Oh, my legs are on fire. Somebody save the arrow. 0.5, 500 meters. That person's going anyway. 400, 300. Top 3, baby. I'm dead. I can't breathe. Oh God. Top 3. Holy crap. Oh, that's the first real race I've had. Oh, nice sprint finish. Oh, we did it, boys. Oh, I gotta catch my breath. Oh. 3rd place, Cat D. Stage 3 rolling with ENVE. Oh God, I can't breathe. Finished 3rd. Oh God. Average watts 245. Average watts per kilogram 2.2. Again, I'm 111 kilograms. So the guys in front of me 2.6. And then 20 minute 2.2. 5 minute 2.5. 1 minute 3.6. 15 seconds 6.1. Oh God. Oh, completed a round. Oh, all right. Holy crap. I can't believe that. Oh, I'm so tired. Every time I looked up, I could see he was getting closer. And I thought maybe I could get it. Oh my God. Oh, we freaking did it, guys. Oh God. Oh. I felt terrible. I don't know. That was worth it. I did it. 3rd place, Cat D. I did a sprint finish. Again, I clawed back a 14-second gap at the top of the tall mountain. Then hung with the group. Sprint finish. Top 3. Whew. Oh, I feel good. And dead at the same time. Oh God. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button if you stayed this far. There's people like you who willed me to that 3rd place. If you liked it, hit subscribe. Thanks, guys. We'll be back again soon for some more cycling, sweating, transforming. And until next time, I'm gonna catch my breath.